Dejanay, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
That's it?
Nope.
Where's Yogi? Yogi. 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 Boo boo. Boo boo.
Sorry.
Boo boo. Hi boo boo. Yogi. Yogi.
He's
Boo boo, be nice. Come here, Yogi. Come here, Yogi. Come here, Yogi. Dejanay, say hi to everybody.
Hi, Yogi and Boo Boo.
No, say hi to Camille, Ariel, Poppy, Grandma.
Hi, Camilla. It's Camilla, your puppy and Grandma.
Sing a song.
I am the island. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Yay. Boo boo.
It's sharp.
Hi, Yogi. Stop. Sing another song.
Okay. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good
Sing
job.
with me.
Good job.
Another one.
Tell everybody who this is, Dejanay. Who is this right here?
Yogi.
Yogi? Is he a good dog or a bad dog?
Bad dog.
No. What about Boo Boo? Hi, Boo
Good
Boo.
dog.
Hi.
Good dog.
Hi, Yogi. Yogi's a crazy dog, huh? He's a crazy dog. This is Dejanay's dirty room. She has a door thing on her room. And you walk in. There's Dora. This is her crazy closet with stuff all over it. Her TV. Her bookshelf. ABCs. Her messy bed. Her vanity. This is Dejanay's dirty room. Her door kitchen.
It's the whole kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
So we got some the cereal and
A lot
the
of food.
refrigerator. It's gonna be up.
Refrigerator.
Okay, let's see. Have my pencil. See, I just almost finished it. Last time I did color.
This is Dejanay doing her puzzle.
Okay, right?
What is this over here, Dejanay?
Huh? My TV.
A TV. Mm-hmm.
So I need to get fish in my pencil, but don't be too hard. There's spiders over here. This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
Me and my stool.
This is Dejanay's stool.
I jump off and I go brush my teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mama.
What?
How's our room, Mommy?
Oh, the rooms are so dirty.
Yeah.
This Dejanay's dirty room. She has a door thing on her room. And you walk in. There's Dora. This is her crazy closet with stuff all over it. Her TV. Her bookshelf. ABCs. Her messy bed. Her vanity. This is Dejanay's dirty room. Her Dora kitchen. This is my messy room. It's just a bed. That's it. And a closet. And clothes everywhere.